Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is MsTanMarie. Today I'm going to show you a simple natural hairstyle for on the go. Can be used with any type of hair, for relaxed, natural, or transitioning hair. Something easy and affordable. The Outre Timeless Collection Pineapple Ponytail in the style Softy in the color 1B. I already placed my hair up into a ponytail and I use Eco Styling Gel. The curls remind me of rods. They are very full. It's a drawstring with a clip bang attached. It has one clip bang on the front. And I'm just going to secure it. The drawstring. I'm going to wrap that around my ponytail. And secure it with a bobby pin. It is very easy to apply, and then you're going to snap the bang down. I'm just going to finger comb some of the curls loose to get a desired style. You can pin the sides if they're too long for you, and this will give you the desired shape that you're looking for. What do you think? What are some of your easy go-to protective styles that you do? And what ponytail styles have you tried? List them below in the comment box. Don't forget to comment and thumbs up this video if you like. And I do thank you for watching. Follow me on my social media network at MsTanMarie on Facebook and MsTanMarie on Instagram. See you next time, and you stay fabulous.